This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the camera type because it dictates the wiring and hardware. If you have an IP camera, use Ethernet. For analog, plan a BNC coax run. Next, gather a compatible power source or a PoE switch so you won't interrupt later steps. Mount the camera bracket roughly where you want it, make a quick cable path measurement, and label the cable ends. Once done, you're ready to run the cable and prepare any network or DVR ports for connection. You now run the cable from camera to recorder or switch, keeping bends gentle and securing with clips. This prevents signal loss. If using PoE, plug the Ethernet into a PoE port so power and data travel on one cable. For analog, attach BNC to the DVR and hook up the 12V DC adapter. Once connected, log into the router or recorder to confirm the camera appears. Make sure to assign a static IP or reserve a DH. You finish by configuring recording preferences and setting motion zones so you capture the events that matter while saving storage. Then fine-tune the camera angle, focus, and infrared settings for night clarity. Apply privacy masks if required. Finally, test playback and remote access to confirm everything works from inside and outside your network. If something fails, check power LEDs, test cable continuity, verify PoE output or 12V supply, and ensure firewall or port forwarding rules aren't blocking the camera.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.